Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to write alphabet C and D in cursive writing. In our previous period, we have done with alphabet A and B. I think that is not in my this copy. वो मेरी पुरानी कॉपी में है. But today we are going to do alphabet C and D. कैसे लिखेंगे? First, you have to start with a curve and come back. That is C. फिर से लिखेंगे. Start with curve, go upwards, come back. C. C. फिर से लिखेंगे. Start with curve, go upwards, then come back. C. 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 Capital letter C. We are writing capital letter C. We are writing capital letter C. देखिए कैसे लिख रही है मैम. Start with curve, then go upwards, then come back and complete it. Capital letter C. Then this is capital letter D. कैसे स्टार्ट करना है? स्टैंडिंग लाइन से. स्टार्ट विथ स्टैंडिंग लाइन, टर्न अराउंड and take a half circle. D. Standing line, turn around. D. Standing line, turn around. D. Standing line, turn around. फिर से एक बार लिखते हैं. Start with standing line, turn around and D. Okay, it's not that good. We will write it again. See here, यहाँ पे लिखते हैं अभी. Standing line, turn around, D. Capital letter D. Capital letter D. Okay. So this is capital letter C and capital letter D. If you want to do it in other way, you can do it. Make a standing line, turn around and half circle. This is D. Standing line, turn around and make a half circle. That is D. Okay. With C फिर से लिखेंगे एक बार. That is start with curve, go forward and come back. That is C. Okay, student. So this is your class work, and in your homework you have to do. अभी तक हमारा कैपिटल लेटर A to D हुआ है. So we will practice of that. So write A. A for apple. You have to complete this all row with A. Then write B. What? B. And you have to complete this all row with B. Then C. Write down C. कैसे लिख रही है मैम? Start with curve, go upwards and come back. This is C. Then D. Okay. C, A, B, C, D. 4 letters we have done till now, and we will practice it here. Complete this page and send it to me. Okay, students. Now we have completed 4 alphabets of cursive writing, and yesterday we have practiced rhyming words and how to find out the rhyming words. So for today I think it's over. You just complete this alphabets, today's classwork and your homework also. Okay students, bye bye for today.